What's going on, YouTube? Dan, I am back again with another video for you guys. We got the Air Jordan 4 military blacks on deck. I am about to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. But before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos like these. Now, these is fire, guys. I love the military 4s, and you know, it's a new colorway, the military blacks, but all around these are just dope. Shit, I wish I had my military 4s, but I don't. I'm telling you right now, guys, these are definitely gonna sell out. Look at this, all around dope colorway, could go with anything. Set to release May 25th or May 11th. Take a look at that box, man. Oh, if you guys didn't see the video on these right here, the Air Jordan 4 infrareds, click the link in the description, take you to that video. You can check it out. You got your flight in the front with the red Jumpman. Size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is white, black, neutral gray. And when you open up your box, you got your regular white speckled paper. Take a look at these bad boys right here. I'm gonna be straight up, man. I love these. The quality is nice. The colorway is nice. You can see the outer sole. You got an all white outer sole with the gray. White Jumpman with the black hits. Very, very nice. Jordan 4s is definitely one of my favorite Jordans. White on the midsole with the black. All white tumble leather upper. The leather is pretty good on the shoe, I must say. White, black, and gray, just simple colors. Take a look in front of the toe box. Now you can see it does have like a suede material that goes in the front of the toe, which is different. It's nice. Front of the toe box, white leather, tumble. Got your white netting, white laces. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. You got your flight on the tongue with the black Jumpman. The leather on the tongue is even tumble. Look at that. Real nice. White netting, gray wing, honeycomb eyelids in the black. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your white on the midsole with the black air bubble unit clear. Your wing right here in that light gray. You got the suede, white netting with the black behind it. Black honeycomb eyelids. As for sizing on these bad boys, I do recommend you go true to size. Take a look at the back. You got your black in the back, white Jumpman, pull tab in the black. Inside of the shoe, you got your white Jumpman, black inner sole, sock liner in white. Now the sock liner is in like a satin material. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a different material on the sock liner. Behind the tongue, you got your Air Jordan upside down. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below about the Air Jordan 4 military blacks. Let me know what you guys think, man. I think these is it. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I want to thank all you guys. Subscribe, share this video. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy D is Dan. I'm gone.